If you have a garbage can, consider turning it into a flower garden.
Got it. Not so fast! So fast! Whoa, no! Okay.
One more Garbage Family Show, friends. I couldn't do it without you.
Garbage Family Show.
I'm going to tell you something that I don't think you ever heard before. It is okay to throw things away. The first rule of recycling is when in doubt, throw it out. Sometimes people don't know if it's recycling or not, and they throw it in recycling when it doesn't belong there. That contaminates the whole load and ruins it for everybody. So it's okay to throw it away. But reuse and recycle when you can. This video teaches you of things you can reuse, like garbage cans and shoes to be exact. So not everything is trash, you can reuse it or recycle it. Happy Earth Day, everybody!
If you like to take care of the planet, then we have that in common. You know what will bring us closer?
If you pound that subscribe button! Pound it right now!
Hi, this is Gracey. My brother Roman loves recycling, and I like to take care of our planet by reusing things and gardening. Here I am reading one of my favorite books. It's called Gardening Lab for Kids, written by Renata Frost-Brown. We are not paid to mention this book. I just really like it. You can search the internet for it if you like. There are so many fun things to do in this book. You can build a compost bin, wind chimes, and even a rain gauge. It doesn't rain much where I live, but let me show you a few activities that are easy to make. Happy Earth Day, everybody. Here's a fun idea from page 50. You can reuse your shoes and turn them into a shoe garden.
All you have to do is drill holes in them so the water can drain.
Now that you have holes in your shoes, it's time to fill it with dirt. Fill each shoe with soil and make sure to leave room for the plants. You can also paint your old shoes, and that makes it prettier. Gently remove the plant and place it in the shoe. That's how you do a shoe garden. If you live in an apartment or a house with a small yard, you can plant in pots like this. We're growing tomatoes in this pot. But if you don't have a pot like this, then stay tuned for a creative idea. Right from page 51 in the Garbage Lab for Kids book. This was fun, but what I want to do next is planting a butterfly garden.
Okay?
Butterflies have a cool life cycle. Each butterfly needs a particular plant to live on. So we're going to plant a butterfly garden. I hope butterflies will be attracted to all the flowers that we make. They'll fly in and get something to eat and maybe get a drink of water too. Planting a butterfly garden is really easy. You just need a sunny location, some nectar plants. Those are plants that attract bees and butterflies. And then you just got to plant them in your garden. Since we just used this pot, we're going to get creative and use a garbage can. Anything that can hold soil can be used for gardening. If you have a small saucer, then put some sand in it with some water. These butterflies need water too. Now let's build that butterfly garden.
We're going to reuse this garbage can for our butterfly garden. Let's kick it into fast mode again.
Okay, you're done fast forwarding, kids. Now let's plant the flowers. Are you starting with that one?
My hands are stuck.
No!
My
Yes!
hands are stuck. My hands are stuck. Don't see her. I'm stuck.
Let's put it right there. Just
I can't get this out. It's like a string. Oh, got it.
wait, I did this one
Gracey,
too.
grab the other side.
Other side. No, I'll do this one now. Oh, gee. They're so easy. Yep. I'm gonna use them. Let's start some egg carton seeds starting.
Starting seedlings indoors saves money.
A packet of seeds is much cheaper than plants. Put a little bit of soil in each compartment. Press your finger in the dirt to make room for your seeds. Be sure to write down which seed you planted on the lid.
That's all there is.
That's all there is.
Now it's time to water the plants.
Good job watering. I think this one needs a little bit more. So pretty.
It's Earth Day. Go outside and enjoy it.
Yeah, go outside and enjoy the outdoors. Take a walk, ride a bike or scooter, fly a drone like my dad is, or go fishing. We only caught 3 tiny fish, but it still was a lot of fun. Stay safe, everybody. Friend, I couldn't do it without you. Come on. Get that tunnel over there. Come on, check it out.
Oh, I am not going in that, but I had to. Okay, I'm going in. Let's go in. Come on, kids, let's go in the tunnel.
Come on, guys.
Oh, dear, here we go. Stopped. Did you see that man coming? Comment down below if you did.
Woo! Good work, guys.
Happy Earth Day, everybody. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel.